Everyone, this is Teddy Keckstedt from Forex Trading Unlocked, and we are here on November the 18th for a midday Forex market analysis to see what is happening in the currency markets. Before we do that, we're going to just show you our disclaimer to remind you that this webinar is for illustrative purposes only. Now we can jump to our live screen, and let's see, we are here at the www.forex-trading-unlocked.com website, and let's see, we have our workstation. You can see at the top tab here, there's a thing for workstation. I already pulled it up, and let's see what we got going on. So for the calendar, let's see, housing starts, blah, blah, blah. Numbers are out today. And let's see what we have for tomorrow. Let's see, for tomorrow, actually, I'm sorry, for tomorrow we have housing starts, building permits for the US dollar, current account for the euro, as well as, let's see, labor productivity. Okay, for the British pound, in a couple of days, we have labor productivity coming out. We have CPI for the Canadian dollar, so we'll take a look at that market, and I think that's all we need to really see for the first couple days of the week. Okay, so now we're going to toggle down to our chart, and let's see what's going on here. So we're going to get rid of the economic calendar, and we don't need the volume open interest either. Okay, so here we have a nice little positive follow through today after Friday's little pop. We had a nice opening on Sunday, and the market has pretty much just drifted higher for the euro US dollar. Right now we have a nice little bottom that has been set. The question is it a higher move low from this bottom right here, which is a very good question. So we're going to draw a support line from there to this low here. So right now we have this rally that began in the beginning of October for the euro US dollar that has continued pretty much through today. However, for the past few weeks, it's been going kind of sideways. So the question is did the low from last week, was that a new low, or is that just the lower move low from this breaking market that the bearish trend the market's been in for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks? So we're trying to figure that out. And right now, I am looking at these 2 points for pivots. We're going to look at, let me get the horizontal ray. So we're going to use the low from 2 sessions back. That would be Thursday's trade. And then we will also use this low that was our first swing low from this swing high. So remember, we had a rejection here. So this was the swing high right up here. Now this here obviously would be a very bullish crossover pivot. And for that, we're going to put a horizontal line. Okay, so these are our breakout levels. Let's give this a little bit of a darker look so you can see it. All right. So we have a little bit of a wedging formation going on here with the euro US dollar. As you can see, since I've expanded the picture here a little bit. And what does this tell us? So right now we have a upward sloping support line right here from the longer term bullish trend that is in place. And then we have this obviously downward sloping trend that is going on right here, where it came down pretty extreme for 2 weeks basically straight, and then on Thursday it turned around with follow through on Friday as well as today. Right now, I think the trading is done for the day. Right now, I do believe that since we had a nice bounce here, as far as the percentage distance of the move from this high to this low, we're kind of in a good little resistance area. So the question is, where is the direction going to be? I think that you're going to have to key off of this last swing low here and use this as our upward and downward bias. I think this will be the good place to put it. So let's give you this directional down, and then we'll explain what's going on here. Oops. All right, let's move this arrow over here, and one more.